Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing of the security camera cover shield. The company sent me this cover shield for security cameras so I can take a look at it and see how it's supposed to work. You can get this product on Amazon for about $18. Check out the link in the description. The cover shield comes with a pack of screws to install it. It is very sturdy and lightweight, and it's also covered by a 1-year warranty. The cover shield is easy to install and its size is suitable for different camera mounts. It fits perfectly against the wall to protect the camera. So far it looks like this is a nice product to protect your outdoor cameras. If you want to know more about this security camera cover shield, check out the link in the description. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.